For instance, we have a right triangle. The question gives us 3, 4. Can you find this side? Yes. Can you find this angle? So far, no. Do you understand, please? Today, we need to find angle A, angle B, and side AB is what? But this is very easy triple. One of the first triple we need to understand 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17. Last period, only 1/3 of students can remember those. I told you, you cannot remember this part. You spend lots of time, waste lots of time. Some question, maybe only 1 minute, you take 10 minutes, you made a mistake. The earlier you remember those, the better, okay, please? Because 3, 4, 5, you can find this is a 5. How to find this? How to find this? We will go over today. Do you understand, please? Find the length of all its sides and the measures of all its angles. Generally, we have 3 sides, 3 angles. Give you right triangle means give you this is 90 degrees. Give you another angle, you can find the 3rd angle. Easy, all right? But the question like this, you have to use something else to solve. So solve right triangle means find the other 3 unknown elements, maybe side length, maybe angle measurement. Now, we have today's highlight. Okay, please. Inverse trigonometric ratios. What is inverse? With multiplication, division is inverse. Addition, subtraction is inverse. This is just inverse. For instance, angle A is an acute angle like this. BC, we know this is small a, the length. This is small c, this is small b, opposite. So you can use BC, but I use A. Now, the question is, if we have a question like this is 3 right triangle, this is 4. So you can find this 3, 4, 5. So how to use this way to find angle A, angle B measurement? Do you understand, please? Angle A, you can see 3, 4, 5. You can find this side is 5. But angle A, for instance, we use those, we know 3 and 4. Those 2 are 2 legs. So angle A, the ratio made by 2 legs, we need to use what? 2 legs, no hypotenuse. So we need a tangent. So you can see tangent A equals to its opposite over adjacent. Do you understand, please? After you finish assignment, tangent A is the opposite over adjacent. Now we don't know angle A, but we know 4 over 3 is the ratio. Now we use so-called inverse. You can write arc tangent. On the shoulder, right shoulder, -1 means arc tangent, inverse of tangent. 4 over 3 equals to angle A measurement. So you can see tangent A equals to 4 over 3. So angle A measurement equals to arc tangent 4 over 3. You understand me, please? Yes. Same thing for angle B, this angle B. Angle B measurement for this question is opposite over adjacent, is arc tangent 3 over 4. Now, I hope you can remember this, okay? Because 3, 4, 5, this is very easy work. So this is rounded to, and 39 point we can round it to 36.9 degrees. This one should be 53.1 degrees, rounded, okay? So if this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so small angle, this one should be 36.9, this one should be 53.1 something degrees. If you can remember, it's okay. If you cannot remember, just leave there. Use calculator, you just use inverse, yes. Then tangent, same thing, I will show you later, okay, please? Today's stuff is we know the ratio, for instance, two leg ratio, or hypotenuse and opposite, or hypotenuse and adjacent. Then we can find the angle measurement. Before we just know, for instance, we have some question like this. This side is A, this side is B, this side is 7. Now, this angle is 35 degrees. Now we can find A and B. How to find A and B? We just review. This is opposite, adjacent. So sine 35 degrees equals to A over 7. Multiply by 7. A equals to 7 sine 35 degrees. If you have no calculator, just leave there. How to find a B? Adjacent and hypotenuse. You have cosine 35 degrees equals to B over 7. Now B equals to 7 times cosine 35 degrees. If you have no calculator, just leave there. Today is different. You know two sides, 3, 4. But how to find this angle? You use arcsine, inverse of sine, inverse of cosine, inverse of tangent. Yes. I give you the example like this. For instance, why we have 3? You can see inverse tangent. If tangent A equals x, then arc tangent x equals angle measure A. If angle sine A equals y, so angle y sine arc y equals to angle A measurement. So it's the same thing. Okay, so if cosine A is z, then arc cosine z equals angle A. Why we use 3? Because different question, we have different way to solve. And if the question give you two sides, two legs, you have to use tangent. If the question give you one side, for instance, this side is 5, this side is 7, we want to find this angle. How to choose? Choose which function? This angle made by adjacent and hypotenuse, cosine. So cosine A equals 5 over 7. So angle A measurement equals to arc cosine 5 over 7. So if the question like this, give you this side is 6. So this is angle A. You have to use tangent A equals to 5 over 6. So angle A equals to arc tangent 5 over 6. Do you understand, please? It depends on the question. The question gives you one side, hypotenuse, maybe cosine, maybe sine. If the question gives you two legs, tangent. So that's why if you know this part, you know chapter 7.6, 7.5, today is easy work. If you have never done any homework, today is hard. Okay, please. Now, we have two examples. We work together to finish. Okay, please. So first, solve each right triangle. Solve the triangle PQR. Solve the triangle PNPQ, whatever. Okay, please. First question, who has some idea how to solve? Give me some idea. How to solve? Solve means find what? Find which one? What does solve this triangle PQR? How to solve? Yes?
To find the measure of angle P,
Mm-hmm.
90 minus 33,
Yes.
which
Is what? 90 minus
57.
57. Thank you. Finished?
No.
No. You need to find something else?
Yeah. So to find the length of PQ,
Mm-hmm. A, for instance, just
A,
for example.
it's cosine of 33 equals A over 18, so then it's the cosine of 33 times 18.
Cosine 33.
Oh no, sine, my bad.
Sine, okay.
Sine
So
of 33
this, this side is A, this side is B. We want to find PQ, we want to find A, we want to find QR. Because PQ or A is opposite of sine 33, so sine 33 degrees equals to A over 18. Do you understand me, please? Now, A equals to 18 times sine 33 degrees. Now, how to find B? Who can tell me, please? B. Yes?
I mean, no, it's just.
Who can tell me how to find B? Side B. This side. Yes, yes,
Cosine of 33.
yes. Because cosine 33 degrees equals to B over 18. So B equals to 18 times cosine 33 degrees. If you have no calculator, this is perfect. So that's why this is nothing new. Before today, this is easier question for 7.6, 7.5. So that's why, and I lower my expectation. You finish the first 15 or some questions, you still don't do anything. So you have no idea how to solve this. Okay, please? If you really finished first 15 or some questions, you must be good. Second question, how to solve? Who can tell me what do we need to know? What do we need? Yes.
Measure of NP.
Yes, angle P, angle N. Something else?
PN.
PN, yes. Side of PN, good. Many students every year solve the right triangle. They just give me solve this side, finish. No. Solve the triangle, you have to find this angle, this side length. Okay, please? Which part is easy? How to find the easy part? Yes?
You can just put 13 for the hypotenuse because of the triplet.
This is triples.
Oh wait, no, never mind.
Okay. 7, 24, 25, 5, 12, 13, 3, 4, 5. No, okay? You fool me, right? Yes?
Just use the diagram there.
Yes.
So
Pythagorean to solve. Thank you. Good. 7 square plus 12 square root. Pythagorean. We learned many years, right? Who can tell me what's the number? Yes. Without any paper, without any calculator, tell me.
193.
Yes. This is my student. 193 square root. Thank you. 49 plus 144. You use 50 plus 144 is 194. Minus 1 is 193. Thank you. Good. Now, how to find this angle P, angle N? Who can give me some idea? This is today's stuff. You can tell me how to do, you are okay. You cannot tell me means you don't understand now. But don't worry, we go over together. Who is a volunteer to find P and Q, P and N? Q is 90 degrees, P and N. How many degrees? How to do? Yes?
For to find angle P, it's tangent of P, and then which is 12 over 7.
Mm-hmm.
So it's yeah, got it.
Because we know this side, this angle, opposite over adjacent, 12 over 7. For the assignment, you need tangent P equals to 12 over 7. So angle P equals to arctangent 12 over 7. Without a calculator, just leave there. Who can tell me other angle? Angle N. Who can tell me how to do? Yes.
Angle N is equal to tangent arc over 7/12.
Thank you so much. Angle N, opposite is 7, adjacent is 12. Arc tangent is 7/12. So there are two ways to write arc tangent, arc sine. One way is the best way. You use 10, -1, something like this. Or you can use ARC, arc tangent, something like this in the word. Though both of them are the best. I think this one is easier because some people are too lazy, right? You don't want to write ARC, okay? This is pronounced as arc tangent, arc tangent, arc cosine, arc sine, okay, please? Yes? Now, any questions? Is that okay for one, please? Is that okay? Good. Now, how to solve the questions? I show you two questions for today's. Number 6, number 8. So because something, number 6, number 8 is too easy, and I show you easy. Why? Because we have some students, they don't know easy question. Okay, please. Number 6, the question like this. Find the angle A measurement. Angle A measurement, number 8. This side is 5, this side is 11. Angle A opposite is 5, hypotenuse is 11. Opposite hypotenuse is sine. So sine A equals 5/11. So angle A is arc sine 5/11. If you have a calculator, 27 degrees. Number 8 is the same thing. You know this side is 7, this side is 12. Angle A, 7 is adjacent. This is 12, is hypotenuse. Adjacent hypotenuse, which function we should use? Cosine. So cosine A is 7/12. Then angle A measurement is arc cosine 7/12 by calculating 54.3. Is that okay? Yes or no? Now other question, almost the same thing. So that's why you need to know the definition. Sometimes you need to know this part. 7.5, 7.6, you need to know. Okay, please? It's your time to do assignment. Any question, let me know. In the classroom,